The king can move one square in any direction. The king cannot move to a square where an opposing piece can capture it. The queen can move back and forth, sideways, and diagonally in any direction. The rook can move back and forth and sideways, but not diagonally. Each bishop can only move diagonally and only on one color. The knight moves in an L pattern, one space then two, or two spaces then one in any direction. The knight is the only piece that can move through another piece. A pawn moves only forward one space, except on the first move when it can go one or two spaces. Pawns capture diagonally. If a pawn moves two spaces to avoid capture by another pawn, the other pawn can take the first one as if it only moved one space. This is called en passant, French for in passing. If neither the king nor rook have moved, then there are no pieces between them they can castle. The king can castle to either side, whether pawns are present or not. Enjoy playing chess.